So how does stress affect MTHFR? And let's explain to our community what MTHFR is and different genetic predispositions.
MTHFR it's really simpler than it sounds. It's about a B vitamin, vitamin B9, which is also known as folate. And all of our vitamins, when we take them into our body, they go through a metabolic process to be activated so our body can use them. And MTHFR is the gene and the enzyme that activates folic acid into folate. So folic acid, we usually a lot of times hear of folic acid and folate as if they're the same thing, but they're not actually the same thing. Folic acid is the more inactive form that has to turn into folate, or what we also refer to as methylfolate, in order for our body to use it. And it's actually estimated at up to 50% of us have at least one or two variations on that gene. And so when you have an MTHFR gene variation, you have, and I like to carefully say this, is you potentially have 30 to 80% less ability to turn folic acid into folate. And the reason I say potentially is we can have gene variations that might not actually be affecting our health at this moment in time. But if those gene variations are turned on and expressing, then it could decrease your ability to turn folic acid into folate. And so if you're taking a multivitamin or B complex, if it has folic acid, you might not be able to use it very well. It's going to be better to choose a vitamin that has methylfolate, because that's essentially a detour. You've now detoured around the gene variation. And this is where knowing our genes is so helpful, because then we can do something about it. We can actually go, oh, okay, if I'm not using folic acid efficiently, let me take methylfolate